When I open my mouth, you just open your mouth. Now we're both talking louder. You take the ball for me, and I'd go to war for you.
Si MJ ay magalang, tapos hindi sinusunod yung mga gusto namin. Hindi siya pasaway, ganun lang. Happy birthday, anak!
Ito na rin yung time na kailangan mo na rin matuto sa iyong pagkakamali. Pa-practice mo paano maging independent. Enjoy mo lang yung milestone na to, baby. Be smart, stay kind.
What can I say? I can't wait for you. What can I say?
Welcome to the 18th birthday celebration of our lovely debutant MJ. Sa masigabong palakpakan naman po, ladies and gentlemen.
What can I say? When love gon' blow with you. Hey, hey.
Not only for our lovely debutant, but for each and every one of you gathered here this evening.
Happy birthday, MJ! We love you! Happy birthday, MJ! We love you!
So, MJ, I would like to greet you a happy 18th birthday. Keep pursuing your dream. You're a good artist. My daughter look up to you as a good artist. She idolized you. You're a strong woman, I know, because what we have been through. We are here, our tito, tita, to support you. So, happy birthday, MJ. Happy birthday, and I love you.
It's a matter, I can't let you go, let you go.
You're now 18, and I cannot believe what you have become. Starting from now, the road we'll be going through is unknown territory. It's surely bound to have many ups and downs, and you're bound to fall down and trip a couple of times. But if you were to fall into the arms of the right person. I hope what pulls you away is a good fate and a bright future. Happy birthday, MJ, and I love you so much.
I wish you would love me again.
Always bloom wherever you are planted. Na-share ko na yan dati sa'yo. Life will not be very easy. It will be very difficult. But with all the struggles, nandito kami lahat para sa'yo.
I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again.
I'm so happy that you are my friend. I do believe that life wouldn't be as enjoyable without you here. I love you so much. I am beyond proud of you, and please know na nandito lang kami meet para sa'yo lagi. Happy birthday, LJ.
괜찮단 말하지 마. Said I'm alright. Said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말이야. 떠나지 마. 저리까지 마. 그래도 솔직하게 더 말할래.
I will never forget the MJ whose notebooks are always filled with absolutely beautiful drawings. I hope you'll never lose your love for art, and I hope we'll stay friends until we grow old. Happy birthday, MJ. I love you so much.
I am filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude and joy. Para ka na ding ate at the same time like a mom who always guide me. Your presence brings light and positivity to all of us. Your infectious energy will never fail to uplift and inspire. May you be surrounded by love and warmth of those who cherish you. And may this year be filled with countless blessings and opportunities for growth and fulfillment. Happy birthday, cuz. May this year be your best one yet.
Again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want.
Ikaw yung kaibigan na andyan kung may problem, andyan ka lagi kung kailangan namin ng advice. You're one of the strongest person I know. Sa lahat na nangyari sa'yo, nagawa mo pa din tumayo and bumangon. You still manage to put a smile on everyone's face even though you have a problem. Thank you for all the memories we shared and to all the tawanan and kulitan. I wish you all the best and looking forward to more memories na mabubuo natin. Happy Legality!
Happy Legality, MJ! We wish you all the best.
your schedule to come to my debut. Thank you po din sa planning team for making this happen. Po din kay Tito Julius ko po. Nag-OC po siya para mag-manage niya po na maayos yung debut ko po. Thank you po din sa magandang lola ko po for being able to raise me for 18 years straight. I know that entering adulthood is a difficult time. We make mistakes, of course, but we should learn from those mistakes and be able to work ourselves into a better version of ourselves. Thank you po!